floats. Well, at the bottom it looks like it has a little gap. But it doesn't. At the bottom it looks like a wave. This blue car will sink or float. Let me put it on top of this and see. If I put it on top, it floats. If I put it like this, let me take this. It fell to the bottom as soon as I took it out. Let me take out an orange ball. Look at the bottom. It has less at the bottom. At the top, it has more. If it goes like this, so I have a toy cow. It's kind of fluffy. It floats. Let me make it straight. Nope, it's keep going. I have a rubber. Whoa, it kind of looks like an oval like this. Whoa. I have a toothbrush, and it's actually a girl toothbrush. Let's see if it's perfect. It made a bubble right here. It actually has a flower. In the middle, it has a gap to it, and it floats. I think this will float. Let's see. Whoa! It looks so amazing at the bottom. Let's take out this blue ink. It floats. Let's take out this red or pink. I can't tell, it's tricky. Let's see if this ink, another ink bottle will sink or it did a spin and bounced to the bottom and went to the top. Whoa. It becomes squarey. And let's see if this will sink or float. Shake, shake, shake. And stop splashing. And let's take up this circle. One, it sinks. But first it floats. First it was floating, now it sinks. Let's take out this blue car. It's actually splashy. Look at the bottom. If I blow in it, it becomes foggy. Next, I have another blue car. Let's see if it sinks or floats. Whoa! It did a backflip, but I think it did actually a flip and landed on its back. Let's see if Laughing McQueen sinks or floats. Whoa! Fast. When I'm looking like this, it kind of looks small like this. It looks giant. gray car. And it's going to jump into the pool. Whoa. It went right to the bottom. And it landed on the blue police car. It kind of looks a bit different. Let's do this yellow fire truck. Let's do this green block. It looks so small. And at the last, we're going to do something special. And this is a monster truck. It got on top of it, then this made a dam. Let's see if this sensor fits. It kind of looks like it's driving on the water. I think he saved